Hey guys, there's Vinny. Say hi, Vinny.
Hello.
We're back at this job. We're going to put this video in two parts, video 1 and video 2. This is where there's a microwave in the kitchen up, over the range, and it's on a 15 amp breaker. And whenever you put the microwave in with something else, it blows the breaker. The microwave itself is pulling almost 13 amps, 12 something, I think. You can see that in the first video. So we've decided to take that microwave off this 15. We're going to take this 20 amp and put a double 20, and then that microwave will be on its own. Breaker, because what they're doing is they're running this, which is a heater. When the heat part is on, it pulls about 10 amps, 10.1 amps. This one pulls 12.7. Between the two, it pops a breaker. So we're going to go ahead and put a new, and look, you can see on the first video, you'll see they have plaster filling that outlet. Well, we're doing away with that. We're going to put a new outlet in a new box and run that 12 gauge all the way across to the new breaker. So Vinny is going to Vinny's going to open up a hole there so we can get our drill and drill into the top plate and pull the wires. We're going to try not to mess up the sealing at all. All right, we'll catch up with him in a little bit. Okay, guys, he got the drywall cut. He drilled his hole. He went up there to make sure he was going to miss all the wires, but the hole's right there. Let me see if I can get it. The hole is right there, as you can see. And he's got to be real careful. Make sure when you put that Romex through there that you put some tape on the end of it, Vinny, to cover the wires, where they're cut. That way, if you did dead end into something, you won't blow your shit up. We could just pull the meter off if you want. Guys, this is unlocked, so if we wanted to, we could just pull that meter right out. But he doesn't want to. Okay, guys, he's got this hole cut so he put his connector up in there. See that hole? He's going to put a connector there now. And then, of course, it'll come up over here. There's the hole right there. We didn't put that hole. That's been there. Anyway, we put our hole down there where it belongs. And then we're going to take that 20 and split it. The owner wants a ground rod, and they have a lot of kids here. And I think what I'll do is clear out this and drill a hole through the footing, and put our ground rod there and bury it and bring the wire up here, put a little hole about right here and come in the same connector, and just go off with this ground here. He's grounded, but he wants an extra one. By the way, we did an ohm reading, and from here to here to that, and this is grounded on there, and it was zero ohms, so it's really good. Also, we did a test from here to the box, and the box is around 2 point something or whatever. But here, I want to bury the ground if we do it, because these kids, if I put it out to here past the footing, they're going to come and hit it and tear their foot up. This way, if I bury the ground, bring the wire here and go up, there won't be no liability issues. But he's grounded. I don't know why he'd want another ground, but he's grounded there, and it's grounded to the pole over here. If you take your leads on your meter and you hit one of the hot breakers and touch over there, you get 119 volts. And if you do your ohm, it's zero ohms. In fact, let me see if I can get a reading. Okay, Alicia's on that pipe over there, and it says open line. Watch, take it off. It says open line. No, take it off. One of you take it off. Okay, it says open line. Now go ahead and hit the ground. And she's there. And it goes from open line to 12.6. Scrub it a little bit better. There you go. Let's see. Okay, 5 point something, 11. So that's good as long as it's under 25. It was 12.7, so we're good. So I don't know why. Oh, and if you watch, hit the hot breaker. Now we're gonna see if we get any voltage out of it. Let me put it on voltage. On voltage, we're getting. Go ahead.
Your hand more this way, because I don't have room.
Go more that way, Vince.
Huh?
Voltage. Is the breaker on? Put it right on the 110.
The setting.
You're on DC.
Oh.
AC.
Sorry. Okay, guys. We're getting 118.9 voltage because he's on the hot and she's on the common over there, the ground. So we know that pipe is grounded to that, plus it's got its own little ground over there, solid. I just thought I'd show that to you. Okay, guys, we want to start closing up the holes in there, so we drilled a hole right square in the middle. We're gonna get our ground wire coming out and in through there. So I guess I'll feed some in and it'll go to Vinny through that one hole there, and we'll put it on there when we have time. Then we're gonna run her down to there. All right, guys, we got that cable through. Now I'll just put some sealant. Once we got this cable nailed down, then I'll go ahead and put some silicone right in there to keep it airtight. It's in there good. We have to smack it with a hammer. So anyway. Okay, guys, Vinny's got a new hole. We're gonna use that bottom box as a junction box. Black to black, white to white, and that'll just continue on to wherever it's going, which is probably behind that wall on the other side. And the new one, he's going to put a box, and he's going to run his 12-2 Romex through there and into his box and put an outlet. So I think that's what we're going to do. Okay, guys, we got Alicia here. She's plugging the holes since we don't need them no more. And that's the one where the ground is. Say hi, Al. You've been gone to Florida for a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for that one.
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, cheer competition for Katie. And then over here, this hole here's got her ground and her Romex. Now Vinny's going to go up there and take care of business. Alright, guys. He's got this all coming through. He's nailing down the Romex up there. He's putting staples. That way if the cable guy goes up there or somebody goes up there, they don't trip on it and pull out the wires. And I think Alicia is over here plastering the walls. Let's see. Alicia's filling up everything over here. Putting in her wood framing here. So we'll see here. Let me get a... Then pretty soon we're decided to take this 20 amp out because it's older than this one. This one's newer. So we're going to take this guy out and put a double 20. Okay, guys, she's getting this all filled in. She's got that one filled in, that one. Over here, I started to dig the hole right here. That way we can knock that rod down below the dirt line. And then we'll run our cable up the wall. We'll put some plastic anchors and bring it all the way up the wall nice and straight. And we're actually going to bury the ground rod. That way none of these guys here can get their foot caught, you know, and hurt themselves. So basically we're gonna just bury it so the kids can't kick it with their foot and hurt their foot and end up with stitches or something. So usually you can leave them about 1 inch to 2 inch above the dirt, but in this case we're gonna bury it. Did you want that 8 inch or 10 inch blade, or you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's give it a couple. I'll get the texture ready to go.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, guys. It's looking good. Just a little bit of a little bit of sanding, and it'll be done. One coat only. Then we'll put some texture on it. Alright, guys. He put a 20 amp outlet. Most outlets are always 15 unless it has a winky eye like you see there. It has like a little
my bad.
has like a little winky eye. And that's a true 20 amp outlet.
And we can see if it's hot.
Yeah, you can test it, see if it's hot. You know, put your screwdriver in it, see if it
It's dead,
lights
so we're
up.
good.
Okay, and that other is going to be a junction box, so he's going to get that covered. Okay, guys, we touched up the screw. It's not as white as the other one, but it's white. Good enough for up in the cabinet. All right, guys, now we're going to go put that rod in the ground. Okay, guys, this is stainless steel with copper over the top. We have a tool that we put on the end of our hammer drill, and we're just gonna, the footing comes out about 3 or 4 inches. If we hit any more footing, we'll drill through it, and then we'll keep going. Hopefully we don't hit something we're not supposed to hit. Yeah, see, it's got a hammer on the end of it. Yeah, so that'll punch it in right there. Okay, guys, it's been textured, plastered, textured. He's drying the texture right now. There's the other spot right here. Letting the texture dry a little bit, and then we're going to put a coat of paint. So we're good. Okay, guys, he's got his level here, and he's doing as best as he can. So it's looking good. Okay, guys, she's got that all done. Looking good, textured. Now she's gonna put a little paint on it.
Like that?
Yeah, just there you go. Now you got it. That helps it. Yeah, that way that disappears. A little bit to the right. To the right, right there. Right there. Yeah, that helps. Okay. Looks good. And Vinny's over here, guys. Finishing his ground. He's got it right there. All grounded down. Right there. Here we'll put some caulking and around here as well. Alright, guys, this is starting to dry nice and even. Can't even tell that we were there. Can't even tell we were there. What's happening?
Mom just, that's how she speaks.
Oh.
Get this chicken.
Chicken?
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't joke with your mom.
No, hey, you know that's true.
What?
That's how she says it.
What? Oh, there's that, yeah, right. There's that split 20. And he's got the ground in there. He's got his Romex in there. He's just got to get, these are really, sometimes these push mags are hard to get in there. Sometimes you have to loosen this one up in order to float it. Okay, guys, he's got it all wired up here. Everything's working good. We got everything on inside. He's getting ready to bury that. And I guess that'll bring the end to this video. Alright, guys, well, thanks for hanging out with us, and I'll get this posted. This will be part 2 of part 1, I guess, part 1 where we actually did the troubleshooting. And by the way, let's see over here. There's that right there. The paint's almost dry. Everything's looking good. Let's go look over here. Over here we got the microwave on. It's running. Doing really good. Okay. If you could, pull me some amps on that microwave one. Either or. Okay, guys. That's okay. It must be the wrong one.
What are you looking for?
Microwave. It was this one. It's one of that one. Or that one on top. It's probably that one.
Are you saying the one I just ran is
Yeah.
for the microwave?
Yeah, no. I'm only getting 0.3. Put it on amperage.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. That will work
Same
better.
wire. I just
Yeah.
didn't know.
Okay, we're 16.1 on a dedicated circuit of 20 amps. We went ahead and we got 2. One for the microwave, and then wherever that one goes to, I don't know.
That's your other 20 amp that was just ready there.
Yeah.
We don't know where it's at.
Yeah. So anyway, with the microwave we're at 16, so 15.9. So that's good news. Now it won't be tripping. All right, guys. Well, I guess we'll talk to you on the next one. Say bye, Vinny.
Bye-bye.
Come on, look at it and say goodbye. All right.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Al, one more
Bye.
time. Oh, there you go. Okay.
I'll shut it off. It's done.
Okay. Well, it's been
Yeah.
running good.
More than 2 minutes.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hey, guys. I forgot to get something. We're going to check the ohms on the ground. So we go there, and then we go down to here and see. We want 25 or better. We're at 4.2, which is really good. It's almost all short of being perfect. So we're at 4.1 from here to down there where it is. So we've got a really good ground is what that's saying to us. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out.